Hey guys, it's Ariel from Something Navy, and I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite products from First Aid Beauty, the Hello FAB Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Hello FAB is a superfood-powered collection that will get you makeup ready and also give you long-term skincare benefits all in one. I use this moisturizer every single morning on a daily basis, just like any other moisturizer to hydrate my skin. But it doesn't just moisturize, it also has a primer, which helps keep my skin looking flawless all day long. I love this product specifically for me since I don't usually wear a lot of makeup during the day, so it gives my skin that polished, fresh-faced look. But also when I do wear makeup, it really helps grip my makeup in place and last all day long. So you guys can see that the light reflecting micro pearls help give my complexion a healthy, dewy glow. I feel like every single morning I'm giving my skin a coconut health smoothie, because the electrolytes hydrate my skin. Another ingredient is the quinoa, which helps repair and protect my skin. So let me show you guys how to use it. You start off with a clean, fresh face. Squeeze about a dime-size amount onto your fingertips. Lightly press the product into the skin all over your face. So some of my other favorite things about this product is that it smells so amazing but contains no artificial colors or fragrances. It's also non-comedogenic and oil-free, so it doesn't clog any of your pores. It's good for all skin types, even sensitive skin, and it's suitable for all skin tones. You should definitely check it out.